In this video, I'll talk about how to create project, uh, Flutter project in Visual Studio Code. So let's start. We will create Hello World project and then run in Visual Studio Code. So first of all, we need to just install Flutter extension. And Flutter extension will install by themselves the Flutter Flutter itself, yes. If you want to just install it manually, you can just download it from the official web page, but it's the same. So it will just get Flutter archive with Flutter and then just somewhere it unzip it, extract it in somewhere. But here we will just try to just mm, install it. Here we will just, I want to say that the Flutter, the path of the Flutter mustn't contain the non-English symbols because there is some problems with it when you just run Flutter project. So we have to wait it. I have just start installation. And then it will be installed. It will install all the like mm, dependencies and so on, extensions and itself. So report that. And then okay, I will pause the video. And then we will continue. Okay, Flutter is installed. Now we need to just create a project. Common palette, Flutter new project, and it just could not find the Flutter SDK. So if you have installed it manually by yourself, you can just locate SDK and then show the Flutter project folder. Flutter, so extracted folder. But I have not installed it, so I will just download SDK. Here, as I said before, we need to just okay, let's just like this. Okay, let's just try to just uh, okay. I have some problem with it. Okay, let's just say like this. So the main thing is do not contain the clone folder, and it will download it by themselves. Uh, and we have to wait for it. Okay, so downloading Flutter is the key. It's necessary only the first time use of the Flutter extension. If you run it the second time, if you just create project second time, it you don't have to do it. So let's wait for the like downloading. Okay, it is almost to finish the Flutter installation. So it has been downloaded. Now it will download the case. Is that is the case for Flutter? Mhm. Uh, resolve dependencies. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay, it has been done. It checked the platforms. So, and it says that add SDK to pass. So I think we need to add it to the path because it will help us. It will help us to just find to just run in terminal or Flutter commands. It's something when if we need. Located the key again. We can just locate the key. So it has this one. It's Flutter. So and we can create application. Так, here we can just use any empty folder, for example, work, and then we can select this folder. So let's just get the name of the project, and we can just set it again. I recommend you to just rename the folder name because if we want to just create a GitHub project, then Git project name should be same as the name of the folder which contains the Flutter. Okay, it creates, we will trust it, so we have created it, and then it will just run again. So it created like this the folder. So our code will be in lib folder, so dart files. Also, we have the Android, iOS, and so web folders, Windows folders, yes. So here, our code mainly will be here. We can just run Flutter project by pressing this button. Uh, okay, see, okay. It says just like this. Okay, in this case, we can just start debugging, run without debugging. If you want to just debug, we can just start debugging. Okay. And here we need to just select the device. For now, we have three devices available, so I have just available the mobile devices. Uh, so let's just run in from launching to download necessary packages and then run it. In debug mode, because we can just here set some breakpoints and then uh, how to say monitor it how what is going on, what line of the code is running, and why the, for example, how variable is set, for example, incorrectly. So it has been loaded in the but yet okay. Plus button it increases and like this. Okay, demo and so on. Okay, that's all about treating Flutter. Also, you can just change it and then press the hot reload. Hot reload will just change the mm, how to say will apply the modification you made like without restarting the whole application, or you can just restart application. For example, we can just set this one. We can just set, for example, so counter will be like increase it twice. Okay, let me just pull it on. Ah, it's like this. Cool. And hot reload. Okay. Save and it will be added. Okay, it has been added immediately. Hot reloaded. So okay, so it's all I want to say.